Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I style my biker shorts. So I'm going to do like a lookbook for you guys. Well, I don't really like lookbooks, so it's going to be like an outfit, kind of a 101 on how to wear biker shorts, because I'm absolutely obsessed with biker shorts. I have a few of them around that I've bought. I've got some really nice ones from H&M or Zara? H&M, and they're like lycra, really tight fitting, and they just make, you know, your bum look so nice, and your legs, it's just such a nice material. They literally suck you in. And then I've got some new ones that I've bought from ASOS, and they're like kind of lace kind of biker shorts. And I'm going to show you how to dress them up and dress them down. But 9 times out of 10, you kind of want to dress it down because, you know, biker shorts, they're kind of, you know, sporty kind of casual vibe, which I'm really into. So I really can't wait to show you the biker shorts. I really can't. I'm so excited. They're so lovely. There's so many nice kind of outfits that I've created, and they're so easy to throw on, you know, just a t-shirt and some nice shoes. It's all about styling. So, oh, this hair. I've straightened my hair and it's actually looking, not straightened, I've curled my hair, and I never ever curl my hair. I'm just trying to kind of train these like short bits. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you. But before I show you my lookbook, I hate that word, why do I keep saying lookbook? Before I show you my kind of biker shorts, I'm just going to take you through my makeup. So I have my new winged eyeliner that I am absolutely obsessed with lately, and I'm really loving it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually kind of nicked this idea from HRH collection because I saw her with it and I thought, you know what, I have to do it, because everything she does I have to do because she's amazing. So that sounds quite stalkery, but you know what I mean. So I'm really obsessed with that. I have the hugest zit in the whole of the existence of life here, so please kind of ignore that. It's making my face look even fatter than it normally is. And then I have my highlighter, which is the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. And I'm actually quite happy with my makeup today. It looks really good. But the weather is so muggy outside. I'm actually sweating. I also have a new earring. This is a love heart, kind of, can you see? It's a diamond love heart, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It looks really nice. Story is, I actually lost a earring whilst I was away, so I was like frantically looking everywhere for an earring. So I found this from Accessorize, and I quite like it. It's quite cute. So yeah, my eyebrows, my Rimmel eye pencil, my Botox is looking amazing. So sick. Love it. Lips. Gorgeous. I love the woman that I go with to get my lips done. She's absolutely amazing. Literally will never go to anyone else. She's sick. And my blusher, which is the Too Faced Bronze Soleil. I can never say it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, on the face. I'm really kind of vibing this look. I think I look really good. I'm really liking it. I think my hair looks better curly. I don't know, just feeling it. So what I'm going to shut up now, and I'm going to show you the outfits, the biker shorts look. And then I'll just come back at the end and we'll just talk about what we kind of, you know, watched, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to shut up now, guys, because I've been talking again and I just got off on tangents. I'm going to show you the biker shorts, so I really hope you enjoy, and yeah, here we go, guys. Hey guys, so this is the first look, and I have my Zara biker shorts, and the material is so gorgeous. Such a nice shiny material. Can you see? They just look really nice. And I'm wearing a shirt. Now this t-shirt says, can you see? It says thank you next. And don't mind my leg. I've actually got a scar. I fell. And you know when there's like a scab, and I picked it, so it's like a really kind of horrible kind of pink colour. So this is the t-shirt, really oversized, really cute, kind of pop of colour with the pink. And So this is the look together, and they just look so hot together. Can you see? With the t-shirt and the shoe. So yeah, it just looks like such a cool outfit. So, you know, with your shades on, it cinches you in at the back with these gorgeous shorts. Just put you up a bit more. And they feel so amazing. Just so gorgeous. Let's see. So guys, my second look is this kind of oversized jumper and these, obviously the shorts and these leggings and these black stilettos. Kind of sport chic kind of look and vibe, which I'm really loving. I think it looks so gorgeous, sophisticated. Back. So I just think the look ties in so well together. It's kind of a sport, kind of smart, casual. And also I've got this Hermes belt, which I don't think would, I don't know if it would look okay, but you can actually team it with like a little belt. I'm not going to though. So it's kind of, you know, I've gone to the gym and I want to go out for some drinks, but it's like 2 in 1. It's so cool, I think. Don't mind my pale legs. Hey guys, this is the next look. So I'm wearing the lace shorts from ASOS, but they do come up really high. I thought they'd be a bit longer. And I'm wearing these shoes with it. Can you see? And I'm wearing these kind of scallop kind of open back shoes. So, you know, if it was a hot summer's night and you didn't want to wear any trousers, I think this look really ties in very well. I've pulled them up now, so it should be like this. They are a bit short. They could do with being a fraction bit longer, but they are so cute. Please don't mind my pale legs. Now this is the last look, guys, and this is the same lace trousers with an oversized Disney top, and it's Princess Jasmine. And these shorts are more like kind of hot pants shorts to me, but they do look cool. I just think it looks kind of rocky kind of vibes. Not rocky, it just looks effortless and it looks really cool, and I love how the shorts kind of come up so high. I think it looks really nice. You can always tie it up in a little bow also, you know, like a crop top. That might look quite cool as well. But I just absolutely love the effortlessness of this outfit. It kind of looks like you're just wearing a t-shirt as well. So it's really cool and sexy. And these are the shoes. These are the shoes that I'm wearing also. And they're just a pair of sparkly metallic heels. I think that looks really cute. Kind of vintage and a bit different. I love that. Hey guys, so thank you for watching that. How amazing are these shorts? I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I think they make your legs look so thin, so kind of shapely. They give me kind of a perkier bum, which is never a bad thing. And I'm really, really in love with them. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Which shorts were your favourite? The Zara ones or the ones from ASOS with the lace on them? Please let me know, because I absolutely cannot get enough. I really want to get the slime green HRH collection ones. You know, the ones that she's got on the website. I'm not sure if she's still got them yet, still. But I want to get those because I really think they'd be quite a dramatic kind of statement piece. But have I got the guts to wear them or not? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with biker shorts. They're so easy. They're so kind of on the... Oh, sorry, the camera. You know, they're just on the go, kind of slip them on, throw a tank t-shirt or, you know, normal kind of oversized t-shirt and you're good to go. And I just love the kind of baggy t-shirt and tight kind of short look. I think it's amazing. So thank you so much for watching that kind of, what's the word? I'm not going to say lookbook because I hate it. Thank you for watching this video, this kind of, I'm going to say lookbook again. Thank you for watching, you know, my kind of biker shorts looks. That's better. Thank you so much for watching my channel also. It really does mean a lot to me, your support. Thank you. You know, I keep saying this in like nearly every video, but your support really does mean the world to me, and I am just having the best time ever. So please like the video, comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.